The internal genitalia of the male reproductive system consist of the testes, the ducts, and the glands. The testes are the gonads and the site of spermatogenesis. They also release the hormone testosterone. The ducts consist of the epididymis, the ductus deferens, ejaculatory duct, and the urethra. The glands consist of the paired seminal glands, the prostate gland, and the paired bulbourethral glands. The external genitalia consist of the scrotum and the majority of the penis. This is an illustration of the male perineum. The diamond region is outlined by the pubic symphysis anteriorly, the ischial tuberosities laterally, and the coxal. The anus is within the perineum, as well as the root of the penis and the scrotum. This structure is the penis. The root of the penis consists of the crura of the corpora cavernosa and the bulb of the corpus spongiosum. The shaft of the penis makes up the majority of the penis and is located from the bulb to the glans penis. The glans penis is the enlarged tip of the penis. It is covered by a prepuce or foreskin. This is removed during circumcision. The penis consists of 3 columns of erectile tissue. The corpus spongiosum surrounding the urethra, seen here. It consists of the bulb at the root and enlarges into the glans penis at the tip. The corpora cavernosa, seen here and here with the central arteries, beginning at the crus and continuing down. Now let's look at the anatomical models. In this model, the shaft or the body of the penis is located here, and the gland penis here. This is the testis housed within the scrotum. The epididymis, the ductus deferens, which can be seen here, it's a tan. The blue vessels are the pampiniform plexus of the testicular veins, and the red vessels are the testicular artery. The ductus deferens and the blood vessels are housed within the spermatocord, which is this structure here. On the surface of the spermatocord and going down to the testis, you have the cremaster muscle, which is the red structure here. These are the external iliac vessels. The penis has been removed in this image to allow you to see the erectile tissue. These 2 columns make up the corpora cavernosa, and this column is the corpus spongiosum surrounding the spongy urethra, which is the peach-colored structure. This is a posterior view of the urinary bladder and the ureters. The enlarged portion of the ductus deferens called the ampulla is seen here as well as here, and these are the paired seminal glands. The prostate gland at the base of the urinary bladder. A sagittal view of the penis is visible in this image. The rugae of the urinary bladder can be seen. The internal urethral sphincter will be located here. The urethra begins at the prostatic urethra, the membranous or intermediate urethra, and then once in the penis, the spongy urethra, the prostate gland, and the ejaculatory duct. The bulbourethral gland, one can be seen there. This light blue area is the corpus cavernosum, one of the columns. And the darker blue area is the corpus spongiosum surrounding the spongy urethra. The tip enlarges into the glands. This is the scrotum. The testes are located within here. This entire structure, housing the ductus deferens and the blood vessels, is the spermatocord. This is an inferior view of the urinary bladder with the prostate. These are the seminal glands, the ductus deferens, and the ureters. An internal view of the previous model shows the prostatic urethra going through the prostate. The ureters, the white structures here, represent the ductus deferens. The internal urethral sphincters will be located here and here. During ejaculation, they will contract to close off the opening into the prostatic urethra, preventing the urine from leaving the bladder. This concludes Module 2.